One of the most helpful feature on Tufting AI is to use it as a team that you could add your members, manage minutes across organization, track the usage, among other things. So in this video, I'll cover 7 things to take into account when managing Tufting AI as a team. So the first one is setting up the account. So for that, you have to go to profile menu here, go to account setting, and here you'll have organization page. So create an organization for you, add the organization name, URL, which is the subdomain that you need, and then some description FAQ you can add for your team members, and then just hit create. This will give you an domain like this, google.tuftingai.com, for example. So this is your creation, that is a step 1. Second thing is, as soon as you have created your subdomain or your organization page, the first thing you want to do is to manage who get access to it. So for that, you can go to account setting here, go to members, and here you have multiple ways to manage. First is you can just add members, assign through email, assign a role, whether they should get admin, member, or view role. So here to think about is between admin and member. So admin is someone who can assign minutes, they can add and remove team members, while member don't have this permission, and that is the only differentiator here. You could also bulk add your team. For example, let's say you have a team of students, 100 plus, or organization with a lot of members. So in that case, you just want to download this template and upload this like name, email, and how much minutes you want to assign. So that would be the bulk way to assign. So that's about the member management. The third thing that you would want to manage is who get access to what particular scenario. This is the content. The way to think about our permission management is that we operate almost like a Google Drive. So what you saw in the member management is something like Google Organization Admin, who get access to how to manage the organization, like how they will get access to analytics, among other things, but they will not get super user access to all the content within it. So like, for example, when you create your Google Doc, you control who get access to it. Similarly, here you control that whether you want to individually share with certain account, or you want everyone in the organization to get access to it. If you want everyone in organization to get access to this scenario, there are 3 levels of access that you can give. For example, everyone can interact with scenario and can only see their session. So this is the least sort of permission, and this is where, in the case, for example, you have created a content and you want to distribute to students or employees, then this is the way. If you want someone to audit it, and then in that case you want to go to the second level here, where someone can see all the sessions as well. And the third case is if you are working with your team member and you want them to edit the scenario, get every permission that you have. In that case, you will give interact and edit view all session. Likely you don't want to give to everyone in your organization. So that's about the permission management for the scenario. The fourth thing to take into account is that if you have a lot of scenarios, you can put in the form of a course where you can add different scenarios, and you get a nice way to track progress and organize a lot of content in the form of a folder. So that's the fourth thing here. Fifth, when you add your team in organization, you can manage the billing from the billing page here. So the switch to org will show you that what is your total organization minutes, 2,000, 4,000, whatever it is, and then what is the personal balance or the quota. So this is what you assign from the members page that I showed you, that how much quota that individual member will have. But overall, you can manage from the org page, and you can also show how much is consumed, the recent history, among other things. The sixth thing is analytics. So you can track everything from the creator analytics here. So first is that what is your personal usage that you can track on this page. Then you switch to org, and here you can see across your members how much is the usage, how it's increasing, which member is consuming how many minutes, and then across scenario what is the usage. So that's the sixth thing to manage here. The seventh and last thing is that if you are a developer, you need to make certain changes to integrate the scenarios which are part of the organization into your application. So in that case, go to the organization here in the developer tools, and then create the API keys. And every time you make a call here, you need to add this xtti org header. The org info you will get either here, or if you go to organization, you will also see the organization info here. So every call that you make, whether to create a scenario, to fetch the session, you need to make sure that you are adding this particular header. So these are the 7 tips that I have for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.